Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video guys to any of you having a Hyundai Sonata. If you guys have a Hyundai Sonata and you need to remove or replace the air filter box assembly, or you need to remove that air filter box assembly so you can work on your Hyundai Sonata guys, stay with us. We'll cover everything from start to finish, and something very important that you need to do, otherwise you can severely damage your engine. So this should actually work on Hyundai Sonata generation from year 2010 all the way to year 2015 guys. Also, let me introduce you quick to the channel. If you guys need to buy any parts, tools, anything like that, we'll share the links in the description of the video below, and you can see where we get all that from for a really good price and quick shipping as well. Another thing, every single car we get at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos, and specifically guys on this Hyundai Sonata we'll have more than 300 videos, mechanical videos that will be uploaded on the channel you're watching right now, and we'll have more than 200 electrical videos about diagnostics, fixing electrical components, and that will be posted on our second channel, Electrical Car Repair Live. Check it out guys. Everything okay will be shared so we can guys save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video. Specifically guys, we have a 2013 Hyundai Sonata that we're working on. Okay, and now let's explain what we need to do. We need to guys get a 10mm socket. With that 10mm socket, okay, we're going to let's go ahead and get a few hoses loose now here. Okay, one hose right here. We'll get that one loose. Alright, you can see, perfect, that hose clamp is loose now. We can get it out of the air filter box assembly. Perfect. Now let's come to the front. Okay, we're going to remove two more bolts that we have right here. Okay, we need to remove those. That's for the air duct. Okay, but in most cases that will need to be removed as well in order to remove the air filter box. Okay, perfect. That's what we're doing next. Just removing these bolts, and then we can continue with the next step. One is out, one more to go. Alright, perfect. This one is out too. Now, let's go ahead. We're going to grab that thing, lift it up a little bit, pull it out of the air filter box assembly. It comes out, okay, you can see, just like that. And you can see how much room, okay, you automatically gain to work on your vehicle here. So next, what else we need to do guys here? Pretty simple. Okay, we have another two 10mm bolts that we need to remove. Okay, right there. Okay, one is out. Let's see if we can reach it. Perfect. And then we have another one that you can more likely easily reach from this side here. Okay, you can see where it is. Alright, perfect. Now, that air filter box guys most likely should come out of there. Okay, so we grab it. It may have a rubber bushing holding it towards the back. You will need to lift up. These hoses will need to come to the side. Okay, careful not to break vacuum hoses, and the whole air filter box comes out. Now, at that point, what you will need to do guys, you will actually need to cover, okay, that hose with something. Okay, so you don't drop anything inside, because if you drop something inside guys, okay, it's going to go to the intake manifold, from there to the pistons, valves. You can severely damage your engine to the point that you actually need an engine rebuild. So what we're going to do, we'll just get one glove, put it like that, so that way we don't drop any tools, any parts, dirt or anything inside. But don't forget to remove it later. So that's for engine safety. So that's how you guys remove the air filter box assembly on Hyundai Sonata. Hopefully guys the video will be helpful to any of you trying to figure this thing out. Thank you for watching. Don't hesitate to leave a comment if you have any questions. Hopefully you will find the information helpful, and see you guys next time.